Hi, I'm Kristy Glass, and it's here, the holidays are here! And I'm here to present the Lion Brand Virtual Advent Calendar. Check in every day from now until the big day to discover gifts that you still have time to make. I love a handmade Christmas. I don't know about you, but my kids hate getting dressed for the cold. That is why I love this scarf. It's the traffic scarf. Think about it. Your little one can play with it on the floor as a road and then wear it outside in the cold. Your little one will actually look forward to getting dressed to go outside if he or she has this awesome traffic scarf. It will make such a fun gift on Christmas morning, and you can customize the colors to your little one's favorite. It's a toy, it's a scarf, it is an all-in-one Christmas gift. Happy handmade holidays. Baby, come through, come through.